Hello everyone, welcome to JetTalks. My name is Gene Leyzarovich. I'm the founder of JetStor. We founded in 1994 when we saw the need for data storage and data redundancy. What makes JetStor unique is being easy to manage, reliable, and very affordable. And that's what we've been providing to our customers. Now we are going to celebrate this year 30 years of JetStor with over 4,000 customers around the world and 8 generations of products. We've had many customer successes over the 30 years we've been in business, but we've seen some really interesting cases in surveillance space, high-performance computing space, in data virtualization and cloud provider space, as well as manufacturing. In 30 years, we've deployed thousands of JetStor systems around the world. One customer in particular is a large manufacturing customer located right here in Jeannette, PA. We've deployed over 60 JetStor appliances with them, providing them very reliable, very affordable, very high-performance storage solutions for their VMware environment and Veeam backups.